Hello everyone and welcome to Cibertips.
In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating and at the same time most dangerous evolutions in the world of cybersecurity, artificial intelligence. It's changing everything, the way we detect threats, the way hackers attack, and the very definition of what it means to be secure in the digital age. This isn't just a tech trend, it's a revolution, and it's happening faster than most people can imagine.
Before we dive deep into how artificial intelligence is transforming cybersecurity, I want to remind you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a critical update that could help you stay safe online.
Every week, we bring you powerful tips, detailed explanations, and stories from the cyber world that you won't find anywhere else.
Artificial intelligence isn't just about robots and self-driving cars. It's already deeply integrated into our digital lives. And in the realm of cybersecurity, it's both a powerful ally and a potential enemy. Today, we'll explore how AI is used to detect intrusions, predict threats, automate responses, and even fight back in real time. But we'll also see how cybercriminals are using AI to develop more sophisticated attacks, deceive systems, and overwhelm traditional defenses. It all starts with data. AI thrives on data.
Every click, every login, every email sent, millions of pieces of information are constantly being analyzed.
Security systems powered by artificial intelligence can recognize patterns in that data. They can detect when something isn't quite right.
For example, if you usually log into your account from Madrid at 8 a.m. and suddenly there's a login attempt from Moscow at 3 a.m.
An AI-driven system will flag that as suspicious.
But it goes deeper than that.
These systems can analyze the behavior of malware. They can dissect phishing campaigns, track ransomware variants, and adapt in real time to new types of attacks.
In essence, AI gives cybersecurity a brain one that never sleeps and gets smarter with every attack it analyzes. One of the most impressive uses of AI in cybersecurity is anomaly detection. Instead of relying on a list of known threats, AI watches for anything that deviates from normal behavior. Think of it like a security guard who doesn't just look for people on a wanted list, but notices when someone is acting oddly, even if they've never been seen before. This is critical because new threats emerge every single day. Zero-day vulnerabilities, flaws in software that are unknown to the vendor, can be exploited by hackers before a patch is even released. Traditional antivirus software struggles with this.
But AI can notice the unusual behavior caused by these new threats and take action before damage is done.
AI is also changing how we respond to attacks.
Imagine a system that not only detects an intrusion, but immediately isolates the affected machine, blocks the attacker's IP address, and alerts the entire network.
All in seconds.
That's not science fiction. That's what AI-powered response systems can do today. They can act faster than any human team.
But now let's flip the coin. Just as cybersecurity professionals use AI, so do hackers. And that's where things get terrifying. Cybercriminals are now training their own AI models.
They use them to craft more convincing phishing emails, to automate brute force attacks, and even to scan the internet for vulnerable systems. AI-powered malware can adapt once inside a system.
It can study its environment, disguise its presence, and avoid detection by traditional defenses.
Think of a virus that learns your system's habits and hides when it knows it is being watched. That's the level of sophistication we're facing. There have even been documented cases where AI was used to mimic human voices in phone scams.
A deepfake voice of a CEO instructs an employee to transfer funds urgently. The employee complies, believing it's a real directive. The consequences? Millions lost.
And this isn't theoretical.
In 2019, a UK-based energy firm was scammed out of $243,000 using exactly that technique.
The voice on their phone sounded just like the German CEO. AI had studied his voice, replicated it, and tricked the staff.
That's the danger of generative AI in the wrong hands. So how do we defend against something that learns and evolves?
The answer lies in creating AI that's smarter, faster, and more adaptive than the malicious versions. It's a cyber arms race.
On one side, attackers building smarter malware. On the other, defenders creating AI guardians. Cybersecurity companies are investing millions into AI development.
But so are the attackers.
The battlefield isn't just code, it's intelligence.
Machine learning models are constantly evolving, trained on vast datasets, improving daily.
Some of the most advanced AI security systems today use deep learning to analyze network traffic.
They can detect subtle shifts, slight anomalies, and even predict potential attack paths. For example, if an attacker is probing one part of the system, the AI might predict where they'll go next and preemptively reinforce that area.
Another exciting application is in threat hunting.
AI can comb through logs and telemetry data to identify dormant threats, malware that hasn't activated yet, or backdoors that were silently placed months ago. These silent threats are often missed by traditional tools, but AI can spot them.
AI is also revolutionizing endpoint security.
Instead of just scanning files, AI monitors system behavior.
If a process starts encrypting hundreds of files rapidly like ransomware, the AI can immediately halt it and roll back the changes. This proactive defense minimizes damage.
And let's not forget about user behavior analytics. AI can learn how each employee normally behaves on a network. When someone deviates from their pattern, accessing unusual files, logging in at hours, downloading large volumes of data, it raises a red flag.
This is key for detecting insider threats. Of course, with all this automation, there are concerns. What if the AI makes a mistake? What if it blocks legitimate traffic, or worse, takes down critical systems? That's why human oversight is still crucial. AI is a powerful assistant, but not a replacement for experienced cybersecurity professionals. Then there's the question of ethics. If an AI system is trained on biased data, it can make unfair or harmful decisions. In cybersecurity, that might mean falsely accusing users, or ignoring threats that don't match certain profiles. Transparency and accountability in AI systems are essential. We also have to consider privacy.
Some AI tools require access to enormous amounts of data to function effectively. That raises questions about what's being collected, how it's stored, and who has access.
Cybersecurity and privacy must evolve together.
Governments around the world are beginning to take notice.
Regulations are being proposed to ensure AI is used responsibly in security.
But technology moves faster than legislation, so it's up to companies and developers to act ethically now.
In the near future, we'll likely see AI systems that can collaborate with human analysts in real time. Imagine an AI that summarizes all relevant threats and suggests the best course of action, while the human makes the final call.
This kind of hybrid defense could be the key to staying ahead.
Another future application is AI-powered deception. Systems that create fake data, honeypots, and traps for attackers, confusing and slowing them down while alerting defenders.
AI could be used not just to react to threats, but to proactively lure and neutralize them.
But the real game changer might be quantum computing combined with AI. While still years away, this combination could either break current encryption methods or create unbreakable new ones.
It's a future frontier that could reshape the entire cybersecurity landscape.
Ultimately, the role of AI in cybersecurity is both exciting and sobering.
It's a powerful tool for defense, but also a weapon for those with bad intentions.
As users, we must stay informed.
As developers, we must build responsibly. And as a society, we must strike the balance between innovation and protection.
If you found this video helpful or eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Every click helps us grow and bring you more insights from the front lines of cybersecurity.
Thank you for watching Cibertips.
Stay safe, stay alert, and we'll see you in the next video.